You must have noticed that sometimes in the place you live, the days are very rainy, sometimes they are windy, sometimes it's sunny, and sometimes it's foggy. So, what exactly changes in all these days? That sometimes the conditions are different, and you may notice that within a day or within an hour, the conditions completely change. Well, what changes is the weather of the place. So, weather is defined as the changing conditions of a place which may change from hour to hour, day to day, or even minute to minute. So, sometimes you may have a sunny day, sometimes it will be partly sunny, sometimes you may face thunderstorms, sometimes it may snow in your place if you live in a hill station, and sometimes it may be pretty clear at night. So sometimes during different times of the day or different times of the year, you would see that different types of conditions are there. And when these conditions are changing, and when you observe these changes in day to day or minute to minute or hour to hour, then these changes are usually weather changes. So, weather of a place is weather changes from minute to minute, hour to hour, day to day, season to season, depending on temperature, rainfall, and wind condition. So, as these conditions keep on changing from day to day or maybe hour to hour, then the weather will keep on changing. That is why sometimes you have sunny days, sometimes rainy, and sometimes snowy too. Now, for example, in your place, usually days are sunny, but very few days in a year you will find foggy days. So, how would you define the usual temperature of your place? Is your place usually foggy, or is your place usually sunny? Well, as I mentioned, usually days in your place are sunny, and sometimes you have foggy days. So, sunny day will define the temperature of your place, and that is why this is very different from weather of a place. So, your place's weather may be sunny sometimes or maybe foggy sometimes, but the climate of your place is usually sunny or hot. So, as you can see here, you have a climate zone map of India. So, here you will see that this area has a different climate, this area has a different climate, this area has a different climate, this has different, and this has a different climate. So, all these places have different climates. So, rather than weather, these places have different climates. That means, so the usual conditions around the year in this area are different than this area. And these are the different climatic zones. For example, now this zone has the Rajasthan state. So this area's climatic zone is very hot and dry. That is, most times in the year, this place faces hot and dry temperature. Now, let's come to this place, Maharashtra. Here, the climate is hot and wet. That means it receives hot temperatures as well as lots of rainfall. So, this area has a hot and wet climate. Now, what about this? Jammu and Kashmir? Well, it usually is very cold out there. So while there may be days which are sunny, but usually this place has a lot of cold temperatures. Usual temperature of the year is very cold. As a result, Jammu and Kashmir has a cold climate. So climate of the place is defined by the usual temperature which this place faces. So the climate is the weather conditions prevailing in an area in general or over a long period. So you see, generally or over a long period, type of weather conditions a place faces is the climate of that place. So sometimes weather may be cloudy or sometimes it may be rainy, but usually it's very hot out there. then it has a hot climate. Similarly, sometimes there may be sunny days, but usually it's very cold. Then the climate of the place is cold climate. So for example, in Rajasthan, usually it's very hot and dry, but it doesn't mean that it does not receive any rainfall. Sometimes it rains too. So when it rained, the weather of the place is rainy at that point in time. That is, on that day, the weather is rainy. But what is the climate of Rajasthan? Usually it's hot and dry. So the climate is hot and dry, while the weather of that particular day was rainy. Now let's talk about Shimla. Now Shimla has a very cold climate. That is, usually it's very cold in Shimla. But there are some days in summers when it faces rare hot days. Now, these rare hot days do not define Shimla. What defines Shimla is the usual cold weather. That is, usually it's very cold out there. So, some rare hot days do not define Shimla. So, that day, we can say that that day had a rare hot weather. But usually, Shimla has a cold climate. And when it has cold climate, then what would happen? Well, climate of a place decides the type of buildings it will have. So will Shimla people build buildings according to that rare hot day? Not really. They will build buildings according to the cold climate which they have. And what happens in Shimla? Shimla is very cold and they experience huge snowfalls. And so they build houses like this. What is the advantage of such houses? Well, they have slanting roofs. So when the snowfall happens and when the snow melts, then the water can easily flow out of the roofs. So this is the advantage of such roofs, which are usually in colder places where they receive high snowfall. So you see, they build houses according to the climate of their place, which is the cold climate, not on the basis of some changes in weather where they may have sunny days or very hot days. Now, another example is the example of winter. Now, when you know that winter is coming, then how will you prepare yourself? Well, you will prepare yourself with all these kinds of clothes. So, when winter is coming, that is when the month of December or January is coming, then you expect cold weather. As a result, you have all these different clothes out. Now, there may be different days in winter itself when you may have a very sunny day and you may feel very hot and you may not need any of these clothes. But that will be a rare day. Usually, it will be very cold in January or December. Similarly, it may also rain in January. But that will be a rare event and you will not have your umbrella ready in such conditions. You will usually have your jackets and sweaters ready because you are expecting a cold weather, which is the climate of the place. So how are weather and climate different? Well, climate is what you expect. That is, you expect Januaries to be cold. And weather is what you get. So there may be days when you get rainfall instead of cold weather. That is the weather of this place. So you see, weather and climate are different. Climate is what you expect of a place and weather is what you may get on a certain day. Another difference is that weather can change from hour to hour. So for example, right now it's raining at your place and in half an hour it may be sunny. Weather can change within an hour. But when we talk about climate, then it is an average of 30 years and it may change only slightly from year to year. For example, as I said, in January it is cold, so temperatures will be low, and this has been calculated over 30 years. And more or less the temperature will remain low in this particular time because that is the climate of the place. Now, when we talk about weather of a place, it is usually the condition of a certain place and a particular day. So, if the place changes, the weather may change. And if the day changes, the weather may change. But in the case of climate, it is usually for a region and time of the year. So, for example, if we are talking about January, it is cold. That is, in that time of the year, it will be cold. And usually in the region of, let's say, Madhya Pradesh or Bihar, it will be very cold because that is the climate of that place. But when we talk about weather, in the same places, in two different cities, the weather may be different. In some places it is raining, while some places it is cloudy. So weather may change even for short distances and even for short period of time. But climate will remain same for a larger region and larger time period. So if I ask you the question, how is the climate outside today? Will that be correct? Not really, because when I am talking about today, then it is a very short interval of time, and climate usually is for a particular season or for few months at least. So if I am talking about conditions of today, it cannot be climate, it can be weather, because weather is the condition of a place in short period of time. So the right question will be, how is the weather outside today? Because today it may be cloudy, it may be rainy, it may be sunny. But when we talk about climate, we already know that if it is December or January, it will be cold outside. And weather may change sometimes. That's why we are more worried about what is the weather outside today rather than climate outside today. So you see, we know that for today, the weather may change, but climate will not change in a single day. It is for a longer period of time. And that is why we ask what is the weather today rather than climate today. So you see, weather and climate are two different things. Well, both are related to what are the conditions outside, but usually spread over a large area and usually a large period of time. It is calculated over 30 years of time. While when we talk about weather, it changes every day. And that is why we have weather reports all the time. And you see, different places and different cities have different type of weather every day. And that's why we get weather report on television every day. And that is why weather is short term while climate is long term. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.